how to fix video stuttering, lagging, or slow in Windows 11 PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'll help you solve the issue of your video lagging. Let's dive right in. You'll need to head over to your settings first. Open up your settings, and then on the left hand side you will see apps. Go ahead and tap on it, and then you'll find video playback. Tap on it, and then if save network bandwidth by playing video at a lower resolution is toggled on, then make sure you toggle it off. And you can see your battery options. Tap on the drop down, and you can tap on optimize for video quality, and then go to HDR, and make sure that SDR video streaming is toggled on. So after you do these steps, I'm pretty sure your video will work smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.